So today we've had a SABR contouring workshop in central London. We want to make sure that the quality of highly technical radiotherapy is maintained, and yet that the process is democratised out to clinicians and made fully accessible to patients.
Our patient promise is to provide the best possible life outcomes, and as such GenesisCare is investing in the world-class technology such as the MR linear accelerator, and we want to credential our clinicians to be able to provide stereotactic radiotherapy, which is the most advanced radiotherapy technique in the UK.
It's been an excellent opportunity to get a great overview of SABR treatments and looking at potential directions that we could be going in the future with it.
We have to keep learning, we have to keep collaborating with each other and keeping up to date, reading the latest papers so that we can keep as up to date as possible when we're treating our patients with SABR, which is such an accurate treatment.
Having referred a few patients to Oxford to receive SABR, it's just really exciting to come and be able to start the process of treating my own patients and learning the skills in order to do that.
GenesisCare and Oxford share the same vision for excellence, both in patient care as well as in research. And currently, at least in radiation oncology, we are collaborating on research on the MR Linac, as well as potentially developing new forms of AI and machine learning to be implemented in GenesisCare's platform for physicians to use to treat patients.
We're particularly excited that GenesisCare is the only provider in the UK to have fully integrated MRI-guided SABR into our treatment pathways.
What we're hoping to do is to get more of our consultant colleagues signed up and credentialed and therefore trained in a safe way for the practice of SABR, which means it will be more available, more accessible to patients within the GenesisCare network.